Hi everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel everyone. Come with me to the supermarket to buy some cooking stuff and some grocery guys. And today the weather is not good. It is very cold outside. This time is 2 o'clock afternoon but looks like 6 o'clock evening. The weather is not good. So join my video guys from the start till the end and see what we can buy here. I came to buy some cooking stuff and some groceries. So join my video guys till the end. What? What is this? What is that? Come back here. Don't touch anything. Sinaela kununua. I beg. Yes. What is it? Hey. How much is 179?
Yes.
Is that true? Oh, they are lying. I'm not sure if it's true. Mutlu. Mutlu Evler. It's not even here. So I don't know how much. Let's go see something else. Come here. Come. Huh? Let's go, Bamia. So guys, I saw some okra here and I love okra so much. Even my daughter, she loves okra. So okra here in Turkey, they call it bamia. In Tanzania, we call it bamia. I always tell people that some Turkish alphabet resemble Tanzanian Swahili. As you see, okra here they call it bamia. In Tanzania we call it bamia. In Tanzania we call it bamia, B-A-M-I-A. And here in Turkey they call it bamia, B-A-M-Y-A. So here in Turkey they change some alphabet, but it's the same things. Okay, the way they call it and the way we call it is the same things. The difference is the alphabet. Yeah. There's nothing inside. I think it's plain. Huh? What is it? Abla, bu dana var mı?
Şeyli okuyayım ama.
Dana var.
Evet.
Tamam. Wujha. Unafanya? cake here? Yeah. You already have cake home. Why do you want another? Let's go. Taratibu, acha kimbizana. Njoo. Twende tukachukue kitu pale. Twende tukachukue kigari. Come here, come here. Let's take something here. Where we can put this things. Let's put here. Put here. Twende. Take up. Okay, let's go. Come. A blaster. Adi, let's go. I'm not a Spider-Man. Oh, come here. Adi. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Twende. Taratibu, ngoja niangalie kitu hapa. Tulia bwana. What do I need? I think here is not like this.
This one.
Huh?
This.
What is this? Okay. So they do have here too. That's good. Eight. So guys, let's buy some noodles, guys. I saw noodles here and I feel like I want to buy it because I love noodles so much. I eat Indomie before, Nigeria Indomie, but to compare Indomie and the noodles, they are different. I love noodles more than Indomie. And if I told you that I started liking eating noodles because of Korea and Chinese, you won't believe. You know, when I started watching Korean dramas and Chinese dramas, that is when I started eating noodles. Because whenever I saw them eating noodles, I feel hungry. And I feel like I want to try them. So that is when I start liking noodles. So I make sure in my house there's a full of noodles. Okay, even they are not good for our health, but we have to have it. I make sure I have it. In my house, I don't miss noodles. I don't like spaghetti. I don't like spaghetti. I like noodles. So we are here, guys, ready to pay, and I bought some beans. The beans was already cooked. You just go home and warm them and eat with rice. So I bought 2 packets of beans and they are already cooked. You don't need to cook again. Just warm them and it's ready to eat. So we are here to pay, guys. I didn't buy so many stuff since I came here just to buy some cooking stuff and some other groceries. So I just bought some few cooking stuff. I didn't buy anything. Here, some market here, they are different. There are some supermarket you go, you find so good things, so many good things like African stuff, African food. And there are some supermarket you go, you find only Turkish stuff. Like this one I came, they only sell Turkish stuff. There are some supermarket like Beam, Migros. Those 2 supermarkets, they always have African stuff like sweet potatoes, they have coconut, they have African beans, they have so many things from Africa. Okay, but not all supermarket, only those 2 supermarket, Migros and Beam. So we are paying, guys, here. Okay, let's go. Slowly. Stop running. You will fall again. So we are done shopping, guys, and we are going back home. Okay? So I really appreciate for you to join my video, guys, to be with me from the beginning to the end. I appreciate a lot. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Turn on the notification for more video. Comment, like, and share. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye bye.